Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to save video in CapCut. So here, if you're done with your editing on CapCut and you want to save your video to your gallery, you can just follow this step. So first, before you exporting or save your video, you can click on this to make some adjustments. So here you can change the resolutions of your video, of your exported video, and also the frame rate like this. And if you're done with this setting, you can just click on this arrow to save your video and it will be exporting like this. And then after it finished, you can find it on your gallery or on your file folder in your phone. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can save your video on CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll catch you all in the next tutorial. Bye.